Hello, good evening. My name is Joseph, and I really appreciate you for stopping by to have a look at my channel. Please like and do subscribe for more videos on this channel. All I do here is talk about Forex. I analyze based on what have happened in the past and potentially my trades that I might be looking at in terms of taking. So what I'm looking at this week, the 6th of September 2020, what I'm looking at for now is GBPJPY, and based on what I have seen on daily, I see market is doing a whole lot of build up in terms of momentum. Now, if you are very conversant with what market does, you would know that there are some zones and areas where you want to take into major consideration. And from what I have right now, GBPJPY have come to a major zone, a major area where a decision needs to be taken. It's either going to go upward or it's going to drop. Now, my bias is for a drop, but let me say at this point, this is not a professional advice. It's just educational services and educational alone. If you must take Forex as a way of making money, please take the right education. If you want us to be a guide to you in that regard, please send us a mail, fill the form below, and I will be glad to point you in the right direction. Okay. That being said, this is daily, and so I will look at 4 hours, what I need to do on 4 hours. So for me to take a position on GBPJPY, I want to see market go above this point or market come below this point. So GBPJPY, if I'm taking a position on this trade, I would prefer to see a break above and then a continuation, break below, and a continuation. Now, in between, a lot of move can happen and there's a lot of potential in between. However, for me, I'm just saying for me, I would wait to see exactly what market is going to do before I make a decision. That being said, let me quickly look at a second currency pair. Let me see GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Again, I go to daily to see exactly what is going on daily. Okay. I have a little information. I have a little information here, which I think could be very helpful in taking a decision. Okay, so I go to my 4 hours to see exactly what is happening. Okay, so if I'm going to take a position on GBPUSD, I would want to see this before deciding. I'd rather have it this way. So I would prefer to see is giving me a current retest, so I would want to see a continuation before I take a trade. I want to see a break above before I take a trade. Once again, please do your due diligence before you take any position. All right, so if you have questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us, you can always fill the form below and we'll get right back to you. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. Thank you very much and do have a beautiful week.